Who would you label as your musical motivation or someone you would, you know, want to do a collab with?
Yeah, man, of course, Vybz Kartel. Yeah. Gaza, man. Gaza. Stop it now, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, gosh, man.
Catch a lie. Catch a lie. So, Valiant.
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only put pressure in my corner. What time it hard for carry on? You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, pan the journey so far. Show me, know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Alright, so right now we have big news and want to talk about Vybz Kartel featuring Valiant, and this one is titled Time Heals. You see me? So that video that you just saw, Valiant did an interview with Big Cmr News Watch, and Valiant say fully Gaza, and Valiant say yo him want to do a collaboration with veteran artists like Vybz Kartel. You see me? And Vybz Kartel saw that video and made that dream a reality. And this is not the first time Vybz Kartel has worked with a young artist who come out and show him that respect, give him flowers. You see me? And say yo Vybz Kartel are the man, and would like to collaborate with Vybz Kartel, and Vybz Kartel answer to that call. You see me? Because watcha, we just see Vybz Kartel release a hit song with Massicka, you see me, Shooters, and that is a big song right now. You can go stream it, you see me, and Vybz Kartel come back and I give we another banger with a top dancehall artist, the hottest dancehall artist right now, Valiant, and we know say yo a lot of people are going to tune into this one, and I like the direction where this one is going into. You see me? This one is going into a direction where this song is called Time Heals, so it can touch the hearts and the minds of people, motivates the youth, and make them know say yo, no matter where you go through the situation, where you go through, time heals everything. Time heals all wounds. You see me? So just focus on your goal and don't lose sight of the mission. Keep that firm and steady meditation. You see me? So we need this in a dancehall, and will this be Valiant biggest song? We don't know. You see me? But we just have to wait and see. But we know say this one is going to be a big one, because I like when Vybz Kartel touch into the motivational side. You see me? Vybz Kartel the song with squash like skillfully.
Do this by myself and we don't need nobody else. Them same one choose Barabbas over Jesus.
Him the song with TJ like
but we still here.
Them say Pressure, and then Vybz Kartel do a song with Sicka Rhymes. That song is called Depend on You.
Don't let go when the stress come. Hold on strong, don't let go. Know that you can depend on you. No one else gonna do it for you.
You see me? That is one of my favorite Vybz Kartel. Them song they attack to you. Them song they are motivate and make you know say yo, only you can depend on you, and you have to go out there and do it. You see me? So them song they, when Vybz Kartel touch upon the motivational side of the music, them thing they motivate the youth them, just like how if him say Clarks, the youth them go buy Clarks. You see me? So when him say yo, focus on your goals and do the right thing, invest your money in Ray, the youth them are gonna listen see him, because Vybz Kartel is a key figure. And we don't have to ask Christ if Valiant are gonna deliver. We already know say Valiant is going to deliver on this song, because this is Vybz Kartel we are talking about. Valiant are gonna bring him A game, you see me, and Valiant I got touch the vocal range where we know say him have, you see me, him I got touch it, and we are gonna listen to it, and we are gonna say yo John Goosebump goodly take we when Valiant touch the vocal range, you see me. Yeah, so just look out for this song Vybz Kartel featuring Valiant, Time Heals, and we know the whole dancehall is alerted. Them ears get up like them German Shepherd dog there. I look out and I look feet, you see me, and I look out for the collab, and I expect something great, and I expect, I mean, this will be a hit collab, if we can cross over and if we can do some great things in a dancehall music, you see me. So we are looking forward for it, and when it come, you know we're go there and we're gonna talk about it same way when it forward, you see me. So the king of dancehall and the hottest artist right now will be dropping a new song, Time Heals. You make it to the end of this video. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.